Hey there, friends. Today I'll show you how to wirelessly connect your Android phone to your computer, to transfer data, of course. First, on your Android, open Google Play, tap Search and type in FTP server. Tap the first result and click Install. Now, on your computer, open this PC. Right-click in the window. Click Add, then Network Location, and click Next. Select Custom Network Location and click Next. I've already got the FTP server installed here, so now we just need to connect to it. Okay, and here we have our IP address. We need this IP right here. Copy this, paste it here. This is how it looks on the phone. Tap the Start button and then Allow. Back on the computer, click Next. Oops, my mistake. We need to enter the server URL here, so it should look like this. Now click Next. Here, uncheck this box and enter your user ID and password. Then click Next. And click OK. There we go. Now enter your password here. Mine's the same as my username right now. So I'll just click Login. And there you have it, your files. Now you can easily transfer any files you need to your device. That's it. Hope this helped. See you all later.